It's been exactly 3 weeks since I installed this hair, and y'all, it's time for it to go. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Abby, and today these twists have got to go, sis. I mean, I love them. I've gotten so many compliments with them, and honestly, I have not touched my hair unless I'm styling it in some weeks, but it's time for them to go. Now, before I actually take them out, I want to show you guys what they're looking like right now. And if you're thinking all of this is my hair, surprise, no, it's not. These twists are done with the Hot Braids Kinky Twist hair, or the Kinky Bulk hair. I really enjoyed the entire process of having these twists in, especially considering the fact that I'm really trying to get my hair back into a healthy state, growing it out and all that good stuff. So this was the perfect protective style. But as you can see, they're looking a little crazy. So here's a full 360 of what the hair looks like. And you can probably already notice where my hair is kind of being stubborn and coming out. Like, hello? And also in the back. Who that in the back? Yeah, she's coming out. She's acting a little crazy. So I think it's time. I think moving forward though, next time I do this style, I definitely want to go for a smaller twist. I think smaller twists will keep and trap the hair in the actual Kinky Twist hair longer. But full transparency though, I didn't cover my hair at night. I didn't do nothing to really take care of this hair the way I was supposed to. Like the first maybe 3-4 days, yes, but then after that I was like, you know what? It's because it felt like my hair. It felt like, you know, like it was growing out of my head. In some areas I have like these in the front. They're holding on by dear life. This one right here, my twist is it this one? Yeah, my twist is starting all the way over here. Look at this one. Like, girl, what is going on? We're doing a full wash day. We're doing a deep conditioner. Let's get into it. My first step is always to work in sections. So I'm going to be putting all of this hair in a ponytail. Y'all, also like this kitchen. Do y'all see this kitchen back here? One twist done came out. Like, also if you're interested in seeing how I achieved these twists, I have a full tutorial on my channel. You can definitely look at the iCard above. Let me know what you think. Follow the tutorial if need be. Like, you need these twists in your hair. If you want something low maintenance, you need these. We are finally done taking out these twists, and I'm actually very tempted to keep this girl in a twist out because she looks good. Mohawk, yeah, but we're not gonna do it. I'm tempted, but we're not gonna do it. I really want to wash my hair and just get her back into a clean state because this head itches. I'm gonna be using this Heritage hair rinse. It is a rice water hair rinse that you can use as a pre-shampoo, or you can use it after cleansing your hair. I'm just gonna start going in here and let's see how it applies. The instructions on this bottle says that this is not intended to lather like a regular shampoo. So don't fret if you're using this and you don't see any lather. This is mostly just to nourish the scalp, cleanse it. The smell is driving me crazy. It smells so good. I wish I had the shampoo version of this. All right, I'm gonna leave this in my hair for about 5-6-ish minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna prepare to get in the shower, wash this hair, and then we're gonna talk deep conditioner. actually ended up going in with this Honey Fresh Clarifying Shampoo by TPH by Taraji. And I really love this shampoo simply because it clarifies and adds moisture at the same time. Because I had a protective style in my hair, I really wanted to make sure that my strands were clean, my scalp was clean, but I didn't want my hair to feel stripped of any natural oils or anything like that. So this shampoo guaranteed that I got a really refreshed and nice wash. It removes mineral and hard water buildup, it boosts moisture, and it's also really great for all textures. I definitely feel like the shampoo in combination with the Heritage hair rinse was what helped my scalp feel so good. The hair rinse is infused with apple cider vinegar and a couple other ingredients also that just help the scalp feel refreshed. So this was definitely such a boost, and I feel like my hair definitely got exactly what it needed, my hair and my scalp. Then I followed up with the Dove Bond Strength Conditioner. And y'all, I already did a video using these products before, but I'm really obsessed with this Dove line. I don't see a lot of curly girls using Dove products, so I'm just happy that I'm able to use these products and they actually really work, because I was a little hesitant at first. But this conditioner, not only does it smell amazing, but it allows my hair to get so much slip, and it makes my conditioning process so much easier. We're back in my room and now it's time to deep condition this hair. My wash, if you guys could smell my hair right now, you would be like, girl. So we're gonna dive into this deep conditioner. I'm gonna be using the Dove 10-in-1 Bond Strength Peptide Complex Deep Conditioner. This is their serum mask. But the way I've been obsessing about this thing is like chef's kiss. Okay, so let's dive into the details of this deep conditioner in case you're trying it. I did some research on YouTube and stuff like that, and I don't see much curly girls using this product. The product claims to have 10 transformative benefits in just 1 minute. So it's supposed to visibly repair, it's supposed to nourish, reduce frizz, detangle, strengthen, restores the bounce in your hair, boosts shine, smooths, prevents damage, or I'm sorry, prevents breakage, and also reduces split ends. So I'm actually going to be working in sections because I want you guys to see the transformation in my hair. Starting with the back, which is probably the healthiest part of my hair. I'm just gonna do the most today. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna do the most. We're gonna rub it in here in small sections. I really want my hair to feel every part of this bond strength and really just sit for like 30 to 40 minutes. Y'all, so I ended up leaving in this deep conditioner in my hair overnight and completely forgot to film my results. I ended up getting a protective style, but I just wanted to share how amazing these products are. Everything that the product claimed to do, it actually did for my hair. As you can see from the clips, my hair is pretty damaged, but I do feel the difference in my strands just by using this deep conditioner. I'm so happy that I started using this, and I'm actually really happy that I'm starting to put a lot more care into my hair routine so I can get my hair back, because the curl's been gone. I hope this video was helpful. I'm excited to share more about my hair journey, and maybe there might be a chop soon. I don't know. I'm still debating about it. But thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.